Hello, I want to record on the H4 Ichimoku on gold, which is just break above the Ichimoku cloud. So from a downtrend earlier that has persisted for about half a month, now is going back to uptrend. So now what timing to enter the Ichimoku cloud trade is using M15 ARIMA. So let's go to M15. Okay, right. So M15 ARIMA, we can see that this is the right timing now to enter. Okay, it has dropped below L90, and what we want to introduce today is with to be confirmed with a harmonic pattern. Okay, X, A, B, C, D, and if there is a D signal here to long using harmonic, and the D appears within the ARIMA L90 box, that is more confirmation that the price is going to reverse back up. So this is a good entry point using ARIMA plus harmonic at around 1255. Okay, so at 1255 is a good entry point. So let's say we enter about just now, okay, and then now is 1256, just up about 1 point. Okay, and then our profit target will be using back the H1 chart of gold. Okay, there's no signal on H1, but there's a signal on M15 for gold. So use back H1's ATR indicator. We want to see the stop loss and take profit. Make sure its ATR period is 20. Okay, multiplier is 2.0. So we apply to a H1 chart. You'll see that it's 32.3 pips. Okay, for stop loss. So 32.3 pips means it's 3 points, 3.2 points. Okay, so go back to M15. Our stop loss point will be 1252. Okay, about 1252. This will be our stop loss point. Okay, and then our take profit point will be 3.2 points. Is 1255, 1258. Okay, and the 0.8 around 1258. So there will be our take profit point. First take profit and second take profit will be times 2. Okay, so it's 6. Okay, plus 6, 1255 plus 6, 1261. That will be our second take profit point. Okay, and then if you have a third position, the take profit point is times 3 is 1264. Okay, so that will be your stop loss point. That will be your first, second, and third take profit. So today's video will be to show how you can use ARIMA to enter with the help of harmonic pattern to confirm the long trade. Okay, so that's all for today's video.